Welcome back, guys. So in this video we are going to build a portfolio website, a personal portfolio website. We are going to build this using our HTML and CSS. I will be teaching you the fundamentals of HTML and CSS while building the portfolio website. So it will be more practical rather than our traditional approach of learning all the tags and all the stuffs. But yeah, it will be more fun and more easier to learn as a beginner. So here, without any delay, let's start. So I have already chosen a portfolio template that are easily available in the web. The creator of this is not me, someone else has created it, so I will be using it. Don't give me copyright. This will be just for educational purpose. So you can also find free templates, all the stuffs. So here you have got a logo, navigations, and a button which says hire me. So here is you can see, I'll show you. So here it is a nav, a div that is called nav in the top of the page. So and the body and all the bunch of stuffs are there. So we'll be creating only this nav part in this video, and later on we'll be creating all this stuff on the next video coming, or I will jointly attach all the videos and compile page in one video. So I will complete this part, and also I'll teach you how you can actually build it by yourself without any confusion or any delays. For that we will require a text editor. In my case, I will be using VS Code. I have already opened. So here I have got a folder called new, and here I'll simply create a HTML file. So he will write index dot html. So simply you have created a file name HTML, and you will also create a file name that will be for CSS. You will write style style dot css. So okay, you have created two files. Here you will I will manually write code that will be more understandable. So you will open a tag like this with angular bracket, and you will write html. So see, as far as you write this, the closing tag is automatically generated, and you will be writing all code inside these two tags. So here you have got starting tag and the closing tag with the slash on in the middle of that you will be writing all the codes. So like here you will again create two tiles that are head, HEAD, head. So here you have got head and then body, BO, body. So see here, you have got two child of this HTML, that is head and a body. Inside your head you will be writing the title of the HTML document. Like you will write title, TIT, title. The title can be like my website or anything you want to be your title. My web page, my website, all my portfolio, whatever you want to write. WP web page, web page. So let's simply save it and run it. So like you have run this code, then you will see here my page. That was the title you have written, and then again go back. Then see here you have got your heading field. Now you will be writing the body portion, all this stuff. The heading means all of this above part, the top part here, and you will be writing body part for this white section. So let's write. So we have to see what the stuff we have to fill. So here we have got image, that is maybe the logo, and here we have got 4 navigations and a button that says hire me. So See here in the body part, you have to create a container for all the ones. So you will simply name it app. Just by writing .appr or anything, you will create a div and its class name. This div will be the container for a whole our project, and inside it we will simply write a div that will we will call it nav or navigation. So nav. So nav is a div, and now inside nav we have got three sections that one for our image or logo simply, and the second one will be for our navigations, and the third one will be for our hire me button. So simply first one will be for logo, LO logo. So here you will insert a logo. How to insert a logo, I'll teach you. So simply go to your my folder and search for any picture that you want. Like if in my case I will be using what should I? Okay, I will be using this paperclip just for reference. So you can drag and drop, then come to the logo div, and you will provide image IMZ, and then you can simply select here. Sorry, my mistake. IMZ, and you can give SRC. Okay, this will be all right. So now you will give the name of the image that you have recently drag and drop here, PAPP. Okay, you could simply write the address over here, but I prefer to drag and drop all the stuff that you are using. So simply I have done that, no problem. If you can write all the address over here, that will be all right. Simply then you will create another div that will be like navigations, NAVIGATIONS. Okay, so inside navigations you have got a lot of things like you will create anchor tag, and you write home. The first one was home, 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 and the second one was okay, this was a home about portfolio contact. Okay, sorry, let's close this one, come to our VS Code home. Then something was like, sorry, I have created a div over here, so but okay, home. Then after that you have got about ABOUT, about, and simply copy paste all this stuff. Control C, Control V. You might have shortcut, but I prefer to copy paste, and Control V. Oh, sorry. So here you will be writing portfolios, PORTFOLIO, portfolio, and the last one was our contact. Control V. I don't like to use mouse. Contact, right? CONTACT. So let's see what we have just created. Okay. the image is not in a proper size, as you can see. It is large stuff. So simply I'm gonna make it small. Just come to your logo and then image, and you will grab here its height and width. You will write HEIGH height, that will be like 30 pixels, 30 px, you can simply write. Then you will give width, WIDT as width. It will be also 30 px, just for see. So the image is in a proper shape and size. That was hire me. So for that you will create a div called hire me. Simply write hire me, HIRE, hire. Okay. So inside this div you will write button, and then you will write HIRE, hire me. Okay. See here, you have written something, but it is not in a proper structure. As in this website you can see all these are in a column, and but the things we have created is not in a column. That is because of what? That is because of by default code, and now we have to write CSS code just to arrange it in a column. So for that you will be required to copy the class, like here it is got nav, and then come to css file. Then you will write a dot to select the class. If you have region id, then you have to write hashtag. So I have region class, so I have to use dot, and then control v or simply type it. And then you will use display flex, display flex. Okay, after doing display flex, you will write flex direction. Flex flex direction will be our HTML file. So you will simply come to the heading section, then simply you will write link, then you will write link css style.css. so it might have been linked. Let's see. No, it is not linked still. So here you have successfully arrange the navigation or the nav stuff or nav child in a row. So you can see here we have got a space between these two, like the logo, the navigation, and the button. We have got a space between them. So simply we will use tag called space between, so that justify content, and here we have got a space between, but we will use space evenly. Okay, so let's see we have got space on the sides, both sides, and the middle portion as in the our template. So also we have got space between these links or the navigations. So simply go to the css file again, then so okay, I have simply given margin, and then it had worked, but you can also give display flex on the navigation div. So simply you have created your nav bar successfully. Just for the reminder, you have got here hire me button, which is in orange color. I am color blind person, so I don't know the color. So let's assume this is orange color, and then we will be giving the color. Let's see. Okay, whatever, we'll write button, then we will write background minus color will be our brown. Let's see, will it work? Okay, the color has been changed, but still we have text color. There are many more things to do. So the color of the text will be simply white, and still there is a border, so remove border. For that you will write border will be 0 cap or 0% or whatever. So border has been removed. Still the text size is eventually large, so now we have to minimize the size. So you will write font minus, okay, sorry, font size F4, and the font size, your font size will be small or smaller, whatever you can. So okay, for button also we will give a font size that will be smaller. Okay, so here you have seen all this content are in center, like they are floating. Let me show you. Oh, it's not working. See, it is all these image navigations and all the button are floating, or you can say they are in the middle of the nav div. So but we don't have like this stuff in our all the they are like some of them are joined to the top, some of them are to the button. So we will write a code that will arrange them properly. That will be align content, align items, center. Let's see what happens. So it has worked. Like you can see here, all the stuffs are now floating in a center. That's working. And also, what we have got left? Okay, this much. It was not much to do. see here. Okay, you can see we have properly arranged them, and now we have successfully created the nav. Okay, so now you have to add this beautiful goal like image of your own, and you have to write all this stuff, and let me see. So for that you will be creating bunch more of this. Okay, the nav has been closed. Let me give a big space. So from here we will write for, nav has been completed, and now what we will write is introduction portion, maybe introduction. Okay, introduction portion. So let me see. You can also inspect the element of this page. Like here we have got a picture, here big sized bold letter text, here also same, here one button, and here all these social media handles. Here is one div, this small one is one div, and then there are basically 3 div in the introduction portion. So let me create a 3 div. First one, this will be for social media. So we will simply write social, social. Social. First one will be social, second one will be for intro, 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 simply write intro, since we have already write introduction already. And then we will write picture, or simply write dp dot dp, dp of your own, or you can simply name whatever you like. So here you have got social media handles. You have to find the logos of those handles. Let me insert this. The first one is like Facebook, right? img src. So guys, you have you must have your all this logo downloaded in your PC. Like I have got Facebook, something like okay, where those are, Insta and whatever. Like simply drag and drop these images, like Facebook done, then Instagram done, and some more. So here you will be writing the source of these pictures, like Facebook. Let's see. So the image has been inserted, but it is too large, so let's minimize it. width, you can simply give the width, no need to give the height, px. Okay, the Facebook logo has been inserted. Let make it more small, like 20 pixel, and let's copy paste these things. Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, no problem. See here we have got 4 Facebook logos. As here are the 4 social media handles. I have simply write Facebook only. You can make as of it. So like they are in a row. No, they are in a column. So we have to give a margin for this. So and also arrange it in a column format. So we will write social, social, social. Then display flex. Flex direction will be the column. So it has successfully arranged in a column format. So what we have got more, let's see. Here we have got social media handles, and then we have got this big introduction part, and also this image. So let's create it first. Okay, the social div, let close it, and then come to intro part. Let insert this first, dp. So you know how to insert. Just go to image.src, and then you can simply open scrap. Sorry, in my case it's scrap. So I've got my handsome picture here. Turns out it's me, okay. And then you will simply drag and drop it here like this, then come, okay, just rename this. It will be just easy for me. PAR. Okay. Here you will write PAR. And also don't forget to give the height and width. Just as before, the image will eventually last the page. So give height at IGST height. What will be the height? Actually my height is 6 foot, but in this picture I have to give maybe 400 pixels. And the width, let's see, width, let it be default. So see, yeah, the height is too much, so let half of this. Okay, this is perfect maybe. Also, like it is again coming in a column. So for introduction we will simply, where is the introduction part? Okay, no, we have just not created. So for introduction we will simply give our display flex, then after doing display flex, just you write flex direction, that will be row. So we have created this, but still we have to make it on the next side. So we will give space between justify content, space between. So it has come to this side, and we have got introduction part over here like this one. For that you have to write I'm a web developer. Okay, let's see. So come to your HTML file again. In intro you will write you will simply create you will name it big, whatever you can name it. I just write it big. Here you will give h1 for big text. Later you can again arrange it with CSS. So just copy and paste these things. I just want to copy this one. Okay, Control C, then Control V. You see, so it has successfully been deployed, but still it is not in a proper shape. Let write this also, loading also, and then see, this is not in a proper shape. So in small you will write lorem. So lorem is by default which create a random text without meaning. So simply see here lorem has been created, but still we have to give height and width for our introduction part, for this part, so that it could be in a proper shape as like this. So it is, oh man, this is so disgusting. Let it be. So here you have got intro. Control C. For intro you will be Control V. Okay, for intro you will be giving height and width. HIGST height, HEIGST height. It will be 400 pixels. That will be too much. So 200 pixels maybe. No, 250 pixels. Let it be 250 pixels. Then the width will be like okay. Width, how much we still keep width? Maybe 200 pixels. let's experiment. So it is too much less, so we will increase the width. It will be also 250. Let's see what happens. Okay, this is perfect. So see here, but still I can increase, like it can be 300 maybe. So this is perfect. See here, it is still under the image have its background, so it's look disgusting, and it is also too much aligned to the left and it is aligned to the right. So the perfect thing that could be happen is like you can simply give here space evenly. Let's see what happens. So it is perfectly okay. Let's see what we have got. See, still we have got this to create. Let's create it and then we'll end up this video. So after I create this, here we have got button, BTN button, then it's lawn mode LEA RN lawn MO or more. So let's see what happens. So it has been created outside the div. So what was my problem, man? I should keep it here. Perfect, isn't it? So let's compare. Here. So it can be compared like this. Okay, like this it may be. So so it might be like disgusting for now, see, but you have got a pretty much idea about how you can actually make a draft. And this was just a draft. We will be learning more advanced CSS that will make exactly same to same as it is in the next video. It is already 1 hour long while recording this video. Maybe it will be more smaller when I edit, but it will require a lot of time for me now. So I will just bring the next part to just tomorrow or maybe day after tomorrow. Just wait till then. And if you haven't subscribed or like, comment to my channel, just subscribe it, like it, and follow for more content like this. I'll be, and also if you want to connect or contact me, you can contact me so that we can learn and grow together. So